All right, today I'm taking a look at the Unbreakable Alpha Series Lightning to USB cable. So there is the cable. So it's a nice rubbery coating on here. It's not a braided cable like you normally see with these types of cables. It's actually rubber, but what actually makes this thing stand out is it's extremely strong. So this is supposed to be able to hold 275 pounds. Let's make sure that it works first. All right, so we are charging, and yeah, it clips right in. It feels like it's going to hold well. As far as the cable goes, this is a great cable, but what I really want to check on this thing is, can this thing actually hold 275 pounds? So that's going to be what we're going to be playing with next. So I've got a piece of flexible conduit. That way we can use this as a handle, so this isn't going to be cutting on our hand. Yeah, stretch your back up. Well, I would say that works. That is one tough cable.
It's on 202 pounds. So
that's pretty darn good. And for the final test, I want to see if this thing will still work after I ran it through that ringer. I can't believe it. Look at that. Still working. That is unbelievable. Okay, well, I am severely impressed with this cable.